multifunctional shredder is also called rough shredding. It uses the shearing, tearing and squeezing between knives to process metal materials. It is used for the crushing of various waste and waste disposal, local waste crushing and volume reduction, resource reuse, waste incineration pretreatment, waste landfill and other environmental protection fields. The equipment adopts a low-speed, high-torque design and has the characteristics of large crushing force, high output, low noise and good stability. Scope of application: widely used in cans, paint buckets, iron filings, car shells, waste appliance shells, plastic shells, metal shells, large pipes, pipe fittings, forklift pallets, tires, automobile shells, packaging barrels, aluminum, copper and thickness iron less than 5 毫米, waste circuit boards, waste cables and other large volume waste. More and more people and manufacturers have also discovered this business opportunity and invested in manufacturing. More and more mixed models are flooding the market, and competition is becoming more intense, which promotes the rapid development of shredders. It is also an inevitable trend brought about by fierce competition. In the fierce competition in the shredder market, various manufacturers lead efforts and tricks to attract users. With the rapid development of China's social economy, the acceleration of urbanization and the rapid improvement of people's living standards, the amount of garbage generated in the process of urban production and life has also increased rapidly. Domestic garbage occupies soil, pollutes the environment, and is harmful to people's health. The impact of the company is becoming more and more obvious. Everyone no longer sacrifices the environment at the expense of the environment. People are paying more and more attention to environmental protection with the introduction of a series of environmental protection policies. More and more discerning investors begin to focus on light garbage, because in people's daily life, garbage can be seen everywhere. In the past, a lot of garbage was treated by incineration. Plastic shredder equipment solves the problem of plastic flooding. It can quickly process the plastic into pellets to facilitate the reuse and recycling of the plastics. Applicable application areas: plastic film, plastic bags, woven bags, mineral water bottles, PET bottles, oil bottles, gasoline bottles, plastic barrels, plastic products, scraps, etc. One-time plastic shredder equipment improves the utilization of plastics and reduces waste polluted on. The tool speed of the equipment is slow, which is a slow knife shredding. It will not generate heat during the shredding process, will not change the nature of the shredded material, and will not bond and melt the plastic material. Shreds the machine head material or plastic waste without degrading the originality of the material. The scrap steel shredder equipment mainly depends on the model and output required by the customer. Different models have different requirements and different prices. One-time machinery, as a professional manufacturer of scrap steel shredder equipment, is quite prestigious in the scrap steel recycling market. The developed scrap steel shredder equipment has comprehensive functions and is very suitable for customers to purchase and use. What are the factors that determine the price of scrap shredder equipment? Wide range of uses, suitable for shredding paint barrels, diesel barrels, cans, bicycle frames, thin iron sheets, car shells, metal brackets, scrap steel wires, scrap iron filings, metal plates, scraps and other scrap metal materials. Easy to disassemble design, simple operation and easy repair, time saving. It can be recycled immediately without waiting for centralized shredding. Then it is lean and clean, saving money, recycling in a short time, avoiding pollution, and reducing the waste of labor, management, storage, and purchasing funds. Loss, low noise, low energy consumption. There is an overall protection device. And there is a power supply chain protection system. Operation and cleaning are safe and reliable. Carry out a comprehensive inspection at work to see if there are any abnormalities and solve them in time. The bearings also need to be filled with lubricating oil regularly, mainly to ensure the lubrication between the bearings. A considerable amount of steel produced in my country each year is obtained through the extraction of scrap metal resources. The reason for this is that my country's iron ore resources are poor, and a large amount of ore needs to be imported from abroad every year. The current control over the mining of non-renewable resources has improved the secondary recycling. The rate of scrap metal resources. The recycling of scrap metal is not only a requirement for steel production, but also can save production costs and protect natural resources and the environment. The scrap steel bar shredder makes it easier to recycle the remaining products and waste. Steel bar X. As a manufacturer of waste steel bar shredders, Wanchan is a manufacturer of scrap steel bar shredders. When the head of the steel bar is bent, it cannot be sent in, so the machine should be stopped immediately to take it out, and not allowed to pack. When the steel is found to be screwed in, the magnetic therapy is stopped and taken out, and it is not allowed to pack. When the straightened steel is coiled, always pay attention to the working condition of the pen rack, and stop the machine immediately if there is any confusion. When the plate material is almost finished, the material tail should be removed from the plate rack. Remember to turn off the switch and cut off the power after the work is over.